Looking to transition from clarinet to bass clarinet? I'm Amy Chambers, bass clarinet instructor, and I'm here to help. In this 4-part series, we'll cover equipment, assembly, playing posture, and embouchure. Bass clarinet is an entirely different beast, so you'll need to approach it differently. For starters, wet your reed while you're putting together your instrument. This way, it will be ready to go when you are ready to go. Make sure all your corks are greased to make for a smoother assembly. Different brands of bass clarinets are put together a little differently, but for this Jupiter bass clarinet, we'll start by lifting the lower joint. It's the one that's a little bit bigger. If you have a 2-part body, you'll attach the top joint right now. So you'll want to depress the D key to raise the bridge key a bit. That way your bridge keys won't get mashed together and bent. You want to make sure that your bridge keys are lined up. Next, we'll put on the bell. Some bells have holes in them. That's normal. Some bells have a mechanism. That's also normal. If you have one with a mechanism, you'll want to be sure to line it up with the lever. If yours doesn't have a mechanism here, just put the bell on. It should face the front. Then we'll put on the peg and tighten it. Don't worry about the height of the peg right now. We'll adjust that later. After the body of your instrument is resting on the peg on the ground, hold it steady between your knees. Take the neck out of the case and put on the mouthpiece. It only fits one way. You'll want to be sure that the bottom of the mouthpiece is facing the ground. Next, you can put on your ligature and reed. Like other clarinets, the ligature screws are typically on the right-hand side, regardless of the type of ligature that you have. After your reed is on and your ligature is firmed up, you'll want to just barely be able to see a sliver of the black mouthpiece when you look at your reed. Finally, you'll attach the neck to the body of the bass clarinet. Some models have screws to first loosen it before you put the neck on the body, like this one. Be sure to watch Transitioning to Bass Clarinet Part 3, Playing Posture, to find out about how to adjust the height of the peg. There you have it. Our bass clarinets are fully assembled. Happy bass clarinetting.